So a few days back I received this email from YouTube that stated that introducing YouTube handles. So YouTube is about to introduce and has already introduced for some channels new feature using which you can create a unique identity if you have a YouTube channel. So in case if you run a YouTube channel, you must have received this email from them that they are letting you know that over the coming weeks YouTube will be introducing handles, and here is what you need to know. We are gradually rolling out the ability to choose a handle for all channels over the coming weeks, and you will receive another email and a notification in YouTube Studio when you are able to choose yours. So if you run a YouTube channel, you can now choose or create a unique YouTube handle for your channel. Alright, once after I received this email, I received another email when I was allowed to choose my YouTube handle. So this stated that you can now choose your YouTube handle, and in most of the cases they have already saved a personalized URL for your channel, and if you are satisfied with that, you can continue using that. But if you want to create a different handle from the one that has been provided by YouTube, you can do that very easily. And in this video we are going to discuss everything about YouTube handles and how you can create one. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, so handles are a way for you to find and connect with creators on YouTube. Handles are unique and short channel identifiers distinct from channel names. So do not get confused between channel names and channel handles. They are completely different, and the YouTube handle will start with @ symbol. So it is similar to Instagram username. You can think it of like that. Alright, and all channels will have an associated handle that can be used to find and interact with other users, both creators and viewers. So when you will create your YouTube handle, the other creators and viewers will find it easy to connect with you and to interact with you. They will remember your YouTube handle. Alright, so if you have received this email just like me, it means you are eligible to choose a YouTube handle. You can click on it, and this will take you to the handle page where you can create one for you. So as you can see, this states that hi, your handle is reserved. Your handle is @this, as you can see. So now what you can see is they have created a personalized URL depending on my channel's name. Alright, but you can even customize it if you want, but there are certain things that you need to keep in mind. So what you need to do is simply click on change handle, and here you can see that you can delete the already given one and you can create a new one, but there are certain guidelines that you need to keep in mind, that the YouTube handle can be between 3 to 30 characters. Alright, and it can be of alphanumeric characters and can also include underscore, hyphens and periods. Alright, and it should not be already used. Now if you want to use a customized handle, you need to make sure that it is not already taken, otherwise you will not be able to use it. And apart from that, you need to follow the YouTube's community guidelines as well. So the best idea to select a YouTube handle will be the one that represents your public identity on YouTube. So it should be better, it will be better if it is similar to your YouTube channel's name. So that will make it easy for other creators and viewers to remember you, and they will find easy to interact with you on YouTube. Alright, one more thing that YouTube has mentioned about changing handle names is that they will hold your old handle for 14 days. For example, this is the one handle that they have given me. Now if I want to change it, but after changing it I regret doing that and I want to go back to the previous handle, alright, so they will keep it reserved only for 14 days and you can undo whatever you have done, but after that you will not be able to do it. Alright, so after 14 days the old handle will be available for other users to use it. So that was about how you can change your handle and what you need to keep in mind. And once you're done creating your YouTube handle, it will become a part of your channel URL, and that you can use to direct people to your channel when they are not on YouTube. Alright, so this can be used to promote your YouTube channel as well. So yeah, that was all about YouTube handles, all the information I had. If you still have any doubts about it, you can mention that in the comment box down below. And if you have any doubts about my other videos, you can mention that down as well. For any suggestions for my next video, do let me know in the comment box down below. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.